All right, guys, I've got a ton to tell you about in this video. Tons of things to cover here. Small cap cryptos, meme coins, large caps, just a ton of information for you that's come out of our X space today. We do our X spaces every Monday through Friday. The Crypto Breakfast Club meets. The one thing I love about this is alpha shared, information shared. Now, keep in mind, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I am just a crypto investor, an enthusiast, putting you guys on some things that are moving right now, some things we're looking at. And I want to make you aware of all of this and kind of recapture and highlight some of the things that we learned. And it was public today. If you haven't jumped into our X spaces, definitely do so. Every Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern to 11:30 a.m. Eastern. They are live streamed on YouTube, live streamed on X, and also on the actual space themselves. Now, as always, again, none of this is financial advice. I do always tell you if I am working with a project or not, or just organically getting into things. Just because I am getting into things doesn't mean you should. You have to run all of this through your own due diligence. Take a look at it. And by the way, as I'm recording this video, prices could fluctuate immensely. All right. So the things you see on screen right now might not be what you see later on in the chart when you're watching this video. So keep all of that in mind. And let's get into the crypto alpha that you need to know. So let's start over in the top 100. Then we'll come back over into the small cap space. Stay with us here. But Larry, our good friend from MetaTrust, who obviously is going around to all of these conferences, and none of this is financial advice, but he has a pretty good pulse on what's going on and pretty good opinions on where the market could go. He thinks that we could see a potential Litecoin surge. Now, he didn't say why we could potentially see this, but if we look at Litecoin holistically, it's kind of interesting here. Overall, the price is down pretty heavily from its all-time high, 83%. The all-time high is 412, set back in 2021. Now, I'm not saying we get all the way back to 412, but he thinks there could be some institutional interest gaining some momentum. Now, keep in mind, Litecoin is a proof of work crypto. It's very similar to how Bitcoin is structured. Now, is he kind of saying without saying that we could see a Bitcoin, a Litecoin ETF, like a Bitcoin ETF? He did not say that, and I want to put words in his mouth, and I'm not saying that, but I'm saying that it's a proof of work, and it's kind of interesting, right? Like that could be a narrative, but he thinks there could be some big news coming for Litecoin. Keep in mind, he called ApeCoin because he was going to the big ApeCoin event. And he said, because of this big event, they're going to make some big announcements. ApeCoin could be getting ready to make a move. Now, it is selling off hard here today, but look at the run up that it had from down here at 70 cents all the way up to over $1.60, basically $1.70, went up $1, which is insane, well over 100% from the bottom up to the top there. And he kind of pointed that out, said, hey, there could be some big news here, probably going to be a sell-off after that, but a big news event, you could take advantage of it from a trading standpoint. So ApeCoin right now, I personally missed the boat on this. I'm kind of just holding pat, holding steady, not really doing anything. I should have maybe made a play on it knowing that that event was coming up, but I didn't. The other one that he called out said that there's some interesting things happening, and a lot of this news is public. What's going on with Avalanche? Now, Avalanche had some news, again, that was public today. And again, the biggest thing we do on this channel is bring you guys all the news and information to consolidate things for you guys, right? To help you navigate this space, because everybody's working, everybody's pulled in different directions. I do this full time, right? But the Avalanche card is here. Crypto-friendly spending anywhere. Visa is accepted. Waitlist sign up, terms and conditions, all card details, avalanchecard.com. And this was the news released by Watcher Guru early this morning here, just before 7 o'clock. We talked about it. We were up early, saw it, put it out there on X too. Just in, AVAX releases Visa card for crypto payments. Now, again, Avalanche, a top 12 crypto, ranked number 12 here. That is a big deal. They've been working on this for a while. So AVAX is interesting right now, watching that. Chainlink pumping a little bit up over 12 bucks today. Still think it's undervalued. That's just my opinion there. SUI is back down under $1.93. They do have a big unlock coming on November 1st. I let you guys know that I went ahead and took profits because we got in SUI well before $1. Wrote it up well over $2, took some profits along the way. And, now we're sitting just in in our position, just kind of sitting pat, seeing what's going to happen after the unlock. Caspa's up a little bit today. Love Caspa, obviously long term. Not doing anything here under 14 cents. Already have a good position there. But yeah, we're watching that in Litecoin. So Litecoin is fascinating right now for sure, based on what Larry told us. Now, heading into the small cap space, this is a project that we had on the Crypto Breakfast Club. We're going to have them on for a week. Interesting narrative, kind of similar to what's going on with Nero, however you want to pronounce it. That's the one that got listed on Binance, the community takeover one. They have been looking really strong, set all-time highs today. This is a straight community token meme coin, right? So take that for what you will. Hop into the community maybe. Azumi ending in 98E1, okay? Now, Pedro Garcia, somebody who comes onto our spaces quite a bit, called this one out, said there's a lot of interesting things happening with Kitten with Cat. When he came on today, it was right around a $5 million market cap, sitting at 8.23 million. This thing was pretty much not doing anything since its launch back in April. But apparently there's some big outlets reporting some news about this today. And again, just putting you guys on some interesting things that we heard and saw today. YNUT is the last four, YNUT in the contract. And again, just want to keep reminding you guys, not financial advice. I am just a crypto degen idiot trying to navigate these waters, finding good plays like you guys. So you've got KWIF, Kitten with Hat, Azumi. Clapcat is also interesting, kind of working into the PopCat narrative. It's PopCat's sister. That's what they're playing on. This thing has been on an uptrend for a really long time, hit another all-time high today. I did talk about this one, made a video about them earlier, much earlier than where we are now. I think they're right around like a mil market cap, give or take. When we talked about them, somewhere right in here or something, might even been on the downside of this. It was a little bit a while ago, probably about a month ago now, that we put a video out on them. And so that's pretty interesting to me, for sure. And we've seen a big run up there. Ponky's one on Solana that we talked about way back when it was a $20 million market cap. We did a couple videos for them. This one continues to show a lot of strength, great volume. Really like the direction Ponky's heading in here. Same thing can be said for Tron Bull. It has dialed back down below a $90 million market cap again, but it's holding the line really steady. Another just straight meme coin. I am in a current partnership with these guys, full disclosure. I always let you guys know that. No matter what, make your own decisions, but I always want to let you guys know if I'm actively working with somebody or not. That's very, very important. Pop Dog, similar to Pop Cat, another meme coin on Solana, but about a $7.5 million market cap. This is a fascinating one. It came up today on the space by just a listener out there. Very interesting here for Pop Dog. $7.5 million market cap. If it does half of what Pop Cat did, look out. From what I heard, really strong community. A lot of good things happening over there as well. Pop Dog ending in 89BJ. So that one is one we're watching a little bit too. So again, just putting you guys on some interesting plays, some alpha plays. Interesting, right? I mean, take it for what you will. Do your own homework. Dig in. See what you like. See what you don't like. And go from there. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Thank you so much. Check out all the links down below. If you want to trade with me over on Margex, we've got the link down there. If you want to use my trading indicator, which we use for the large cap meme coins, altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, want to make better decisions, have more tools in your toolbox, XT Algo will help you do that. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee with that as well. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks so much. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.